I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is the First Deputy Prime Minister, the Minister of the Economy of Ukraine. Yulia, it is wonderful to have you here on the show. Thank you so much for joining me this morning.
Thank you for this opportunity to be here.
Of course, so President Zelenskyy, he rang the opening bell today virtually to launch Advantage Ukraine. Tell me, what is Advantage Ukraine?
Actually, Advantage of Ukraine, it's a FDI program. No, it's a platform that is going to allocate different investment projects from Ukraine. So we allocate it from the private entities side, from the governmental side. So to attract investment to Ukraine, not to wait until war will finish, but to invest to Ukraine right now, and not to waste opportunity to earn money and to gain benefits.
So you mentioned that you're launching it now. You are in the middle of a war with Russia. Why did it make sense to launch this initiative now?
I think that, those one who would be the first will gain the biggest benefits. Of course, from the business side, we understand that implementing each of the projects, it takes you some time for R&D, it takes you some time for making audit, for making expertise. So if you start it now, then you would be the first one who can set up business and who can gain benefits and get profits.
So tell me, why should investors be interested in the opportunities in Ukraine? What are the advantages for investors?
I think that Ukrainian economy will be shrink by 35% by the end of this year, and after that is going to be a growing trend. Of course, it depends on the military situation, but in general, we are like a representative of Minister of Economy. We forecast for ourselves that is going to be growth. And that's why I think not to waste time. It's good time right now to look at the opportunity that we are offering. Even during the war, we're trying to implement deregulation procedures for business. We're also launching different granting programs for business. We are launching different programs for people that would like to set up their own business. So I think we create all favorable conditions for those ones that would like to set up business, and we are open for discussion with a business.
All right, and finally, tell me, why did President Zelenskyy decide to launch Advantage Ukraine at the New York Stock Exchange?
It's I think that synonym to New York Stock Exchange is synonym of wealth, of investments, of opportunity. That's why it's a central for investments, not only of the United States but the whole world, and that's why it's a good place to start. It's a good place to find the proper companies and a good place to promote Ukraine and to welcome them to Ukraine.
All right. Well, Yulia, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thank you for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thank you. Thank you.